Today, we will learn Chinese characters.
6
Watch the mouth shape for this character's pronunciation.
6 了又6 6 6个6个盒子里有6个鸡蛋。盒子里有6个鸡蛋。6 10 6 10班里有6 10个学生。班里有60个学生。6月6月6月的天气很热。6月的天气很热。
Now, follow me to write this character. This stroke must be written long. This character doesn't have many strokes. Be sure to write the last 2 dots well. This character originally meant house or residence, symbolizing stability. Later, it gradually evolved into a number. But the number 6 is very auspicious to Chinese people, so they also like this number very much. That's all for this lesson. See you next class.